I think people in their 40s and above would connect with this old Calcutta Park Street style chicken sandwich. It's flavorful from the chicken cooked with the whole spices and shredded beautifully before tossing it in salt and pepper. No mayonnaise, no celery, very simple and basic. A generous amount of butter slathered on white bread. Yes, you need soft white bread for this. And then load your bread with shredded chicken and the sandwich is ready to eat. The simplicity is what makes it gorgeous. I remember this as one of my favorite tiffins while in school. And sometimes, a plate of the sandwich would wait at the dining table when I would come back from tuitions. If you haven't had the sandwich before, do give it a try.